Hi guys, it's Christmas Eve today, and I was thinking about doing a little unboxing since I got a shipment today. I was hoping to get it today, and I did. So here it is. This is the R1 Rock Buggy 1/10 scale from Gmade. This is a black edition of the Almost Ready to Run. I'm gonna take a look inside the box. Okay, these are some parts, grease, maybe chalk oil, some other things. Okay, and got the instructions with stickers. Okay, take a look at this. A badass rock buggy from Gmade. This rig needs ESC, the motor, and a steering servo, receiver and a controller, transmitter, of course a battery. What I'm going to use on this rig is this brushless system I have from Turnigy. This goes in this rig, and I also got a steering servo from Buggy. This is steel servo with 12.8 kilos, I think. Don't remember wrong. Okay, and to control it, I got this kit. I have several from before, and this is a 2.4 GHz Hobby King transmitter with receiver. It's 2-channel. And I also got this little box, something extra for my R1. Let's see what's inside there. I already know, of course. Okay, a lot of stickers. That came extra. I didn't order the stickers, but that's cool. All the stickers from Gmade. Down on the floor. Here is pinion 13, and this is for slow speed. And I also ordered a 19 pinion for high speed. These are just drive shafts that I'm gonna use on my Hilux high lift. Here is something cool for the Gmade. These are light bars, LEDs, full kit, to be used on the roof here. And these are 2 more LEDs. Those are to be mounted in the front. Down here, or down here I think. Okay, those needs to be mounted. So this rig needs some work before it can run. But I have wanted this rig for a long time and finally I got it. I'm gonna cut it off and take it out of the box. Smallest scissor I found. This is real cool. Really looking forward to run this rig. Has good flex, as you can see. Okay, I'll show you a little closer. Here we are. The wheels, soft compound, 2.2s I think. Bead locks and the flex again, and some LEDs are gonna be mounted here and down here, 2 here and 3 on the roof. Just take a look at this. Very cool rig. Everything is black. This is cool, very nice rig. So the servo goes here, as you can see, to this. Okay, an update will be out later. Thanks for watching and bye bye.